Hey guys, Ken Suarez here at downtown Linear Park, where amazing things are taking place. Not only here, but if you drive around the city, you see all kinds of new landscaping going in, and trees and flowers. That is thanks to this man. This is Kevin Polk, and now you have a crew of people out there doing all kinds of work. So what's going on here and elsewhere? Give us an update.
Well, we have a bunch of different projects going on right now. We have Linear Park, which has started this week. We have Park Avenue project and going into Market Plaza. That landscape's going in very, very soon. We're working on the central medians out there, the medians on Central Avenue, and the Family Rec Center landscape right now.
So when I go to Home Depot or Lowe's, I buy a plant and I just throw it in the dirt and hope for the best. But this is really a very step-by-step process that you're taking with the city. Explain to us why you do it that way and how you're doing it.
As you see here at Linear Park, they have started irrigation. We redid all the irrigation down the medians on Central Avenue. We also are tying irrigation back into Stewart, which Stewart will have irrigation very soon, so we can start that landscape, and the Family Rec Center landscape right now.
And your approach is very systematic. What do you have to do to prep a piece of property to be landscaped properly?
Well, the first step is planning. You have to plan. That takes the longest. That's probably the toughest because you have to study the grounds. You have to go and take soil samples to make sure that the soil has the right nutrients for your plant to survive and live.
How do you do that?
What you can do is you can go and you can take a probe, and you'll actually, a soil probe, and you take some soil out, and you don't want to do it in just one spot of your yard. You would want to go throughout your yard because the soil here may be different than over there, you know, in your front yard to your backyard. What you do is you take your soil samples and you can send them off to IFAS, UF IFAS, and they will actually test it in their lab, and they will send you results back and show you where your pH is, if it's too acidic or too alkaline, but they'll also show you the other nutrients that your soil is lacking, like potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus.
And all this takes time, so if you see a project that is undergoing and the next week you see something else, realize how much is going into it before you see the landscaping going in. But when it's done, you're going to see a combination of not only vintage lake wells, but also Kevin and the new things that he's bringing in. So keep your eyes open, not only for Linear Park, but also all the other places where landscaping and beautification is taking place.